Surface treatment always creates value for manufacturers by adding the following benefits: improves wear and corrosion resistance, enhances aesthetics and hardness, as well as improving lubrication. For outstanding surface treatment products, please consider Hangzhou Kafan Machinery and Equipment Company. We are a professional manufacturer of sandblasting, polishing, and powder coating machines, as well as other surface treatment equipment. Our company has built and developed a highly efficient customer service system and professional sales team, and we can provide all-round optimal surface treatment solutions for customers in the hardware, machinery, glass, furniture, automobile, and other industries. Additionally, our research and development team can provide professional, customized services for clients. Notably, Kafan has passed ISO, CE, ATEX, and many other international quality system certifications. Our equipment has been sold to more than 100 countries and regions, including the United States, Mexico, Russia, and Colombia. The surface treatment equipment, developed and produced by Kafan, has received high praise and excellent feedback from franchisors and users within the industry. Over the past few years, we have welcomed a large volume of visitors to our factory, and Kafan looks forward to creating strong, mutually beneficial business relationships with these visitors. Hello everyone. Please notice Kafan's sheet metal processing workshop. In order to ensure the quality of our products, we have procured several pieces of high-precision processing equipment to complete the independent production of the main components. These machines allow us to provide high-quality, cost-effective products which greatly satisfy our clients and their requirements. Once the sheet metal processing has been completed, the product's components are welded and polished in the welding workshop. For strict quality control, the components are precisely measured before and after the welding process to ensure that the quality of the product meets strong technical standards. Concurrently, the control system of our products will be installed in the electrical workshop according to the electrical standards of many different countries. In order to ensure the safe transportation of our products, we have backed each product with PE foam and standard, high-strength wooden boxes and transport them all over the world. The Kafan KF4211ZS-12A conveyor belt automatic sandblasting machine is a high-output automatic sandblasting machine. The rotatable spray gun accelerates the sandblasting speed while increasing the sandblasting area, providing a much more uniform sandblasting process. The speed of the conveyor belt can be finely adjusted, and the operation is very user-friendly. In addition, we can professionally customize the machine according to the characteristics of customer's workpiece for truly optimal performance and cost effectiveness. Our KF1212 FTA dry sandblasting machine is equipped with a sand and dust separator, which can separate the abrasive effectively. Also, the dust collector is configured on the dry sandblasting machine to reduce the dust pollution. In addition, the design of the mobile turntable has greatly enhanced operator productivity for real cost savings and quality improvement. This product is ideal for sandblasting operations of larger molds or heavy work pieces. The Kafan KF1212W water sandblasting machine can be directly installed on the production line to complete the surface polishing process of various workpieces with different levels of precision. What's more, the abrasive can be recycled during the operational process, which not only saves resources, but also greatly reduces dust pollution, enhancing the worker's health. Our KF350AB vibratory bowl tumbler utilizes the theory of spiral motion to process the workpiece with the abrasive tool, grinding with each other to ensure that the original size and shape of the workpiece retains its structure during processing. The machine interior is made of PU material, providing enhanced corrosion and wear resistance. This product is suitable for the finishing process of large and medium-sized parts in large volume. Hello everyone. Presented here are the powder spray booths produced by Kafan. The PLC control system is featured in these powder spray booths for extremely accurate operation. The high-flow fans and high-precision filter elements will ensure that there is no dust pollution in the workshop during the recycled process. The movable powder recycled bucket under the equipment is easier to clean up. There are 2 lights inside to make it easier for customers to observe the effect of spraying. The Kafan KF1688 electric curing oven is primarily used for drying and curing wheel hubs of automobiles. We have adopted a 2-layer partition design for our electric curing oven, which is more convenient for hanging workpieces and easy to control. The curing oven is equipped with a temperature sensor, and the air blower will ensure the temperature balance in the oven. Our K2 powder coating machine is equipped with a digital display to show the voltage. It also features 3 preset modes. The main body of the spray gun is lightweight, making the powder coating process more convenient and provides great relief for the operator when working for extended periods of time.